Gentlemen, let me ask you something. Did you know that almost half of men over 60 experience some kind of erectile dysfunction? That's right, around 50% of men in your age group struggle with firmness, stamina, or just maintaining confidence in the bedroom. And yet, most of us just accept it as part of getting older or rely on pills that may only mask the problem. But what if I told you that there's a simple 3-minute daily routine that can drastically improve your erections, your stamina, and your overall male vitality without any medications or expensive treatments? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stay with me because this isn't hype. Before we jump in, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your biggest challenges with male health. Seriously, your experiences might inspire the next video. Now let's get real. As men age, our bodies change in ways that can be frustrating, sometimes embarrassing. One of the biggest changes we notice is in our sexual performance. Erections aren't as firm, stamina declines, and sometimes it feels like your body just isn't responding the way it used to. And I get it, it's not something we openly talk about, but here's the thing. This is normal and it happens to almost every man. The great news is there are concrete science-backed steps you can take to turn things around, starting with something that is almost completely overlooked: your pelvic floor muscles. Think of your pelvic floor like the foundation of a high-rise building. If the foundation weakens, the whole structure wobbles. These muscles support your bladder, your bowel, and yes, your erections. Strengthening them is like upgrading the plumbing and electrical wiring of your house at the same time. It makes everything function better. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes a day. For decades, Kegel exercises were seen as something only women needed, especially after childbirth. But research now shows they are absolutely essential for men too, especially if you want stronger erections, better control, and even healthier prostate function. Studies, including one from the Journal of Sexual Medicine, show that men who practiced pelvic floor exercises for just 12 weeks experienced significant improvements in erectile firmness, sexual satisfaction, and orgasm control. And it's not complicated, you just need to know how to target the right muscles. Here's a simple trick to find them. Imagine trying to stop your urine midstream. The muscles you use are your pelvic floor muscles. Another way to locate them is to imagine stopping yourself from passing gas. That subtle squeeze upward, that's what we're talking about. The key is not to tense your thighs, your glutes, or your abs because those muscles don't count. You're aiming for a gentle internal lift that runs from your pubic bone to your tailbone. Once you've got that, you're ready to start. And here's the best part, it only takes 3 minutes a day. I know it sounds almost ridiculous, but consistency is where the magic happens. You can do this anywhere, at your desk, in your car, even while watching TV. It's so simple yet so powerful. First, we do what I like to call the slow hold. Gently contract those pelvic floor muscles, lifting them upward, and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Then, just as important, fully release for the same amount of time. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. This builds endurance and control, and over time it allows your muscles to support a firmer, more reliable erection. Next, we do the quick flick. Think of it like turning a light switch on and off. Rapidly contract and release your pelvic floor muscles for about a minute. This trains your muscles to respond quickly, which is exactly what you need for stronger, more responsive erections and better climax control. Finally, we do the endurance hold. Contract your muscles and hold them for as long as you comfortably can. Start with 10 to 15 seconds. Fully relax, then repeat this 3 or 4 times. This step builds stamina, making it easier to maintain firmness and control when it matters most. You might be wondering, why does this actually work? Well, it comes down to blood flow, nerve function, and something called veno-occlusive function. When your pelvic floor muscles are strong, they act like a pump during an erection. Blood rushes into the spongy tissues of the penis, and strong muscles trap that blood where it needs to be. That means harder, longer-lasting erections. Stronger muscles also improve nerve sensitivity and coordination, which translates into better sensation, more control, and even more satisfying climaxes. I've seen it happen with men like John, a 62-year-old who struggled with weak erections for years. After just 8 weeks of practicing this 3-minute routine consistently, he noticed stronger erections, more stamina, and a boost in confidence he hadn't felt in decades. And John isn't alone. Men all over the world are seeing dramatic improvements with this simple practice. But it doesn't stop there. Strengthening your pelvic floor also improves bladder control, reduces dribbling after urination, and even helps with premature ejaculation by giving you more control over the timing of your climax. This is why I say it's not just about sex, it's about taking control of your body and your health in a very real, tangible way. Now let me warn you about some common mistakes. Don't bear down, you're not trying to push anything out. Breathe normally, don't hold your breath. Focus only on the pelvic floor. If your glutes, thighs, or abs are working, you're doing it wrong. And finally, don't overdo it. More isn't better. Stick to your 3-minute daily routine. Overtraining can actually cause fatigue or strain. And while this is incredibly powerful, it's not a magic cure for every problem. If you're experiencing persistent erectile dysfunction, severe urinary issues, pain during erections, or any discomfort in your pelvic area, you need to see a doctor. Underlying conditions like heart disease, diabetes, hormonal imbalances, nerve damage, or prostate problems require professional attention. Self-treating these can be risky. Early diagnosis and proper treatment are essential for long-term health. The beauty of this routine is that it's part of a holistic approach. Pair it with a balanced diet full of healthy fats and antioxidants, regular cardiovascular exercise, quality sleep, and stress management. Think of it as giving your body all the tools it needs to perform at its peak. The pelvic floor exercises are the foundation, but the rest of your lifestyle supports the whole structure. If you're feeling inspired right now, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your experience or what you're most excited to improve. Which part of this routine do you think will make the biggest difference for you? Let's start a conversation and empower men over 60 to reclaim their vitality. Remember, in just 3 minutes a day, you can strengthen your pelvic floor, improve erectile function, boost stamina, and support overall male health. This isn't about chasing unrealistic promises. It's about maximizing what you already have, making your body function at its best, and taking control of your health and confidence. And stay tuned, because in the next video, we're diving deep into prostate health, when to get screened, what you need to know, and how to protect yourself. This is crucial knowledge every man needs as he gets older. You won't want to miss it. So start today, take those 3 minutes and watch your confidence, vitality, and intimate life transform over the coming weeks. Your body, your health, and your relationships will thank you for it.